What's going on, guys? So we finally pulled the motor off out of the SC. Here she is. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while, I know, but we finally got around to pulling this motor, and let's give you a sneak peek of the 1J. We've been working on it, you know. We both work full-time jobs and we can't really get to it as much, but here's a sneak peek. There it is. It's almost done. Gotta put serpentine belt on. It's just little bits and pieces here and there. We still gotta take it off the engine stand, take off the flex plate, and mount the clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, all that good stuff. Mount the trans, put it in there, and you know, go on from there. But it's coming close, halfway there. How do you feel?
Happy as fuck.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
Shit. Here it is. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's up, bros?
Yeah, there we have it, y'all. Little update on my 240. I was driving it around finally, and something happened. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Not too happy about it, but it is what it is. Here she is. My MAF broke off while driving. Interesting story. I already got another replacement for that, and then where I bolt on my intake, it ripped off. I'm kind of mad about that, but you know what? It happens. Shit happens. We're gonna go ahead and send that over to my shop where I normally go, and they'll go ahead and weld it up. I already sent pictures. They said they can take care of it. So even though the metal is thin, they said they can do it. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, not much going on today. We went to the junkyard. Maybe I'll put some clips in. Didn't really find much. I mean, Walter got a wing for his car. That's cool. I didn't find anything. And then I'll be driving around this bad boy. That was my brother's little car. He got a new car, so I'm just taking over this one. He had gotten into a car accident. They had shattered his headlight. So I went out, got another headlight. Just need a bumper. Here it is. Need a bumper and it'll be pretty much complete. 2J in this one runs strong. My plans for this one is to swap out this nasty tan interior. I hate it. I hate tan interior. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys can relate. I went ahead and bought a couple parts for this already. I'm gonna go ahead and swap over to LS400 4-pod brakes. I guess a poor man's big brake system. And then I've already gone ahead and got seats for it, so I'm gonna go with this interior. I like this interior. I'm not crazy about leather. This has a little bit of leather and cloth, which I like. It's cool. I'm down for it. Where the hell is my other seat at? Oh, it's up there. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Should look nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what we've been up to. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everybody who has been subscribing. I think we're up to like 42, which is huge. Nice. If we can get up to 50, I'll be stoked. And yeah, stay tuned. Later, guys. Have a good one. Walter, I got an Integra. Integra with GSR leathers that are ripped up to shit.
I don't want them.
And it seems like he went and got these GSR leathers because he has tan interior.
Yeah, he probably did.
Damn.
out, so it probably has something good.
No, they just took the trans.
Oh yeah. Oh, LS trans.
They probably did their five speed swap. Another Integra bites the dust.
Dang, Integra owner. Beaks Integra owner.
Honda owners trying to drift their front wheel drives.
I can do it.
What's this got?
These are all different, dog.
Every year they make the whole.
Oh, it's an E.
AC
It's an
line's
EX.
different.
So I can take this shit off if I want to get like a stock airbox. I can just get the 3-inch like tubing.
Yeah.
From Type R Integra,
Mhm.
and then just to stock airbox, and it's fine.
Call it a
This is
day.
a VTEC head, you know that, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
it has a better.
it's a single jingle.
But I had one of these.
That's what I had before. There you go. Where you
Oh,
at?
he fucking took them.
The shit that you want, everyone wants.
Fuck.
They took the rear ones too.
I don't give a fuck about the rear ones.
I'm just saying.
God damn
The
it.
rear ones, you know they took the front.
And this shit has black interior too. That's
And
pretty.
that's fucking mint.
That's pretty nice. Fuck, man.
You want some ZX wheels?
These are actually not that bad. If I had a 300 ZX. Oh, sad day. Sad day. Huh?
The beat my battery thing?
Yeah. Fuck, man. Hey, Walter, you should cop these wheels.
That's what I was looking at.
Are they?
Huh?
they look like BMW wheels.
Yeah, but they're, I think, just universal.
They are, you know.
Yeah, they're fake multi-piece.
Damn, dude, that sucks.
Damn, bro. How about that
Shit.
green?
Pit my ride.
Pimp my ride. Ooh. White leather. V18. Distributor.
Yeah, they took
They
the
took the
wire.
injectors. Hey, that's what you should put in your pocket.
Not sure. I think about that.
I don't think that. No, I know you do.
This one has a pretty clean front end.
Yeah. I already have a grill, so there's no point in taking this one.
Dude. Yeah, even the battery's in here.
Huh?
They even left the battery in here.
Yeah, you just like yeah.
Yeah, but just.
But where you-
can pry it off. Bring a pry bar?
Nah, I wouldn't bring shit.
Damn, bro.
I know. Super unfair. This is true. This is true.
Check my backpack. I might have a pry bar in there.
Wait, I told you don't have. I told you I should when you're like, huh?
Damn, look at the Mitsu. This shit went through some hell. Rolled over.
Yeah, they're probably trying to do this.
Or-
not even turbo.
Well, the turbo ones are rare, but damn,
Yeah.
this one went through
Drive
some.
goodness. So much for rear active suspension.
That's crazy.
That's only on the all-wheel drive one though.
No, that's on that one.
No, that one's only front wheel drive.
Yeah.
The all wheel drive ones are,
The ones that have all the good shit.
yeah.